Hello guys, how are you? For today's big video is unboxing for a tools for washing your car and for everything cleaning. So let's see inside what are the parts on this Hammersmith Hydroblast. Okay, let's start. So I have a helper here, my very industrious helper, my son Ringo. So he wants to unbox this thing. Okay, let's see what's inside on this. Not so much. You're having hard time here opening the box. Just cut it off. So let's see what's inside. So, oh, this is the part. Let's see, we'll check this out first. Okay, open. Continue opening, please. So what is inside? Let me see what's that. This is the manual, your guide, manual guide, and that's the bag that you can put the tool inside after you use. And what are inside? A hose. In German it's Schlauch, and we have the battery, I guess. Can you please open it? Battery. Slowly, please, slowly. Zeig mal. Show it, please. This is the battery. Yes, this is the battery of the gun, and this is the cable, the charger cable. Yes, the charger cable. And these are the tools for you can adjust the water spritz. Oh, and this is the container that you can put for cleaning. And this is the gun. Yes, okay, please open it. Okay, these are the tools. So because today, guys, we will be cleaning our car since it's very nice weather and our car is very dirty. So let's try to be productive today. So let's see what's inside. We will try this because I have seen that this is a nice, good quality, a good tool for this cleaning the car. So this is this. Yeah. So yes, guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like it, and thank you so much for watching. And if you want to know more about watch more about our videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share, and yes, don't forget to hit the bell button to get more updates of my YouTube. Have a nice day and happy Easter.